Today, this is our snack of the day, and you know what? Our snack of the day is brought to you by Bread Lounge. So we just received the Ube Halaya rolls and cheese rolls. So we're gonna check out kung may suot on in a box. Alright. Whoa. So we have, this is the Ube Halaya rolls, and we have cheese rolls over here. So muna sulod, and you know what, this is now better heated, so we gotta heat this up, then we will eat it. So na to kung lami ba ni. So here are their serving heating suggestions there. So they call it the mantecado style, which is just before serving, heat in microwave for about 10 to 12 seconds and enjoy the melted Italian buttercream sliding at the sides of the soft bun. Or the tostado style. So you basically need the toaster, the tostado style, that you just toast this 4 to 5 minutes and enjoy the brown top cheese rolls with crisp textures of the sugar and melted buttercream on a soft bun. So I'm gonna try out both. So let's go. Let's heat this up. So mana mantecado style, guys. So just microwave this in 12 seconds. Now ni melt na yung butter. So yung butter na may sugar. So tamis-tamis na yung cheese roll sa baba, but really soft, really nice to eat. Now this time ang atong ube rolls, so mana shiny na kay siya. Soft yung bun, ang bread, I mean, yeah. Ano siya, cheese inside. Very soft and delicious. So in a bit, tilawan na ito kung i-toast. Atong i-toast. Alright. There it is, ang tostado ug mantecado. This is the tostado, baby. Toasted na siya with brown spots. Ang sugar ni melt na. Cheese. Tapos cheese. Wow, me. Tinawa na itong ube na tostado. So crunchy na yung crust, medyo paig-paig na. And careful na kainit-init pa. So lingawin siya kanon, guys. And if you wanna try out kung saan akong ikaon, ganyan mong order, yan, always contact Bread Lounge PH. Mana? Bread Lounge, Bread Lounge Manila, MNL. And yeah, I'll give you the full details doon sa description. So mana, guys, thank you so much for watching this quick, try out, quick review for snacks available now in Cebu. So cheese rolls and Ube Halaya rolls from Bread Lounge were awesome. And yeah, try it out. Yeah, let's continue supporting local businesses, mga online businesses, to keep the economy going. So thank you so much for watching, and see you na sa atong mga future episodes. Bye bye.